Hi, I'm going to talk about my Texas Instruments Phase 1A. It's a part of the Texas Instruments projects, that is a TA Analog Design Competition. And I am the part of a team and from Kamaraj College of Engineering and Technology, and our team number is 34 and -2. And I'm going to talk about the challenges that we faced during the execution of the Phase 1A, which is we are supposed to simulate and theoretically derive the expression for a op-amp circuit, that is a differentiator, non-inverting differentiator, and we are supposed to simulate that circuit, and we are supposed to implement it on the ASLV 2000 kit. And we faced a lot of challenges in implementing the circuit in ASLV 2000 kit, especially connecting the circuit as per the circuit diagram. And we faced many challenges like how we are supposed to connect all the resistors, capacitors and op-amps, and how we are supposed to give the supply, how we are supposed to give the inputs to the circuit, and many other things. So these challenges we faced a lot, and we came out successfully by implementing the circuit in the kit, and we finally got the results. And by recording this video, I would like to share a few points. First, the ASLV kit, we are supposed to implement it on the kit, and we got the kit much late, that is less than a month before the deadline. So we had to spend a lot of time in studying about the kit and studying about the circuit, how we can implement that circuit, and so we learnt a lot from that. And secondly, the simulation part. The simulation part was the next difficulty that we faced. In simulation, we had a dilemma to choose which software we are supposed to use, and which one will be better and which one will be easier. So finally we came out with Tina. Tina is a much simpler one, and though it was a limited version, it was much more sufficient for us to simulate the circuit, and it gave a exact result for us, and it helped us a lot in deriving the gain bandwidth product for the circuit, and which was much more accurate than many other softwares. And the next part is about the deriving the transfer function for the circuit. We referred a lot of books, we got a guide from our mentor, and finally we solved it with a lot of work. We learned a lot from that also. And I wish to conclude that by doing this experiment, we learned a lot about op-amps, especially on how they work and how a differentiator is supposed to work, and we got a much more practical hands-on experience by doing all these experiments. Thank you. Have a nice day.